Cordelia Eme. Now me be the producer of My London Slave.
What would be the benefit of this marriage, sir?
I pay for the council tax and even pay for those your expensive designer boxers.
This movie, as you see, I'm so now they shoot them for London.
To produce My London Slave, especially for London, no be chop. It no dey easy. This story, now story about real life women for UK. You know those things where they happen between man and woman inside house, where they need to talk about. We won't use this movie, be the voice of the voiceless. Come out, talk about them, seek help, so that your life no go end inside there.
Correct TV. Now we own.